I've literally had the crappiest day ever. Let's see if this changes it. If you know, you know. Whew. Let's get into the unboxing of it. I'm surprised they didn't put no box in it. Like, they did put a box in it. If you guys don't know what this is the Rev Air blow dryer. I have been eyeing this big girl purchase for a minute now. Ugh. Do wash day your way. It's so cute. Ugh. She's big. Rewards. I hope I do not drop everything. And it has a coupon code. And then quick start guide. Operating manual. Normally I would put this in the trash, but you know, we're gonna follow instructions. Oof. Let me set it down because she's heavy. Oof. Girl. It has like a stocking that comes on it. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be bigger. So I don't know what this is, but we're gonna keep it. And then the cord. And then, girl, how do we take this off? Okay. Let me find out. Girl, let me find out. It is like a 3-part series of how to take all of the stuff off. I'm guessing this is the handle. Already breaking stuff, and it's too expensive to break. And then we got the hose attachments. Okay. And then last but not least, struggling. Struggle is real. I can't wait to use this. Now assembling it.